Many students lose marks in application writing, not because of bad English, but because of a wrong format. In this video, I will show you the perfect application for sick leave that teachers expect in exams. This application is useful for class 4 to class 10 students. Please watch till the end and write once in your notebook. So let us start the video. First of all, we will write to the headmaster BN School, Kantasuri, Baleshwar. You just write your school address and your school name. Okay, then date. You have to mention the date here. Okay, then come to the subject line. Subject line is very important. Subject मैंने लिखा application for sick leave. Then respected sir, I beg to say that I am suffering from fever, so I am unable to attend school today. Okay, this sentence is simple and correct. Do not write long or difficult sentences. Okay, then therefore I kindly request you to grant me leave for one day. Then write thanking you, yours obediently. मैंने लिखा विकास पात्र, class VI, section B. Don't forget to write class and section. Okay. Now pause the video and write these applications once in your notebook. Writing practice is very necessary. Okay. Thank you.